Maryland personal injury attorney Marcus Boston here, bringing you another video on behalf of Boston Law Group LLC. Today we're still in Ocean City, Maryland, finishing up our legal conference that we're attending. But today I wanted to take another quick minute and talk to you about another question that we get a lot, and that is, Mr. Boston, can I use my health insurance for my car accident case? And the simple answer to that is, in general, yes, you can. How we see this come up a lot is that if a person is injured in a car accident and they're taken to the hospital, and the hospital gets their health insurance information, the hospital will go ahead and, in some instances, go ahead and bill the health insurance provider. And then the patient is like, well, you know, I didn't know if they could bill my health insurance provider, or how can they do that? And the reason that happens sometimes is because the hospital is more than likely in your network, or probably participates in your health insurance plan. And the reason why we say that this is a good thing is because a lot of times, if the hospital is a participant in your health insurance plan, when your health insurance provider repays the hospital for your medical bills, a lot of times it's going to be at a reduced rate, because your health insurance provider, to participate in the plan, in the health insurance plan, a lot of times they've agreed to be repaid at a lower rate. So the reason why we say that this is important, that this helps, is because at the end of the day, you're probably more likely going to have to repay your health insurance provider, which is a term that we call in the legal profession, it's called subrogation. It's just a fancy word that just means that you got to repay them back. But this is the thing, you only repay your health insurance provider for the amount that they paid your medical provider. So let's say that your medical provider, you know, they would normally bill $100 for this particular treatment that you did. Well, if they participate with your health insurance provider, chances are they're not going to repay when your health insurance provider repays the hospital on your behalf, they're not going to pay them the $100. They're going to pay them the reduced rate. And then what happens is, when you go to have to repay your health insurance provider, you are only responsible for paying them the lower rate. So at the end of the day, it leaves more money in your pocket for your recovery. I know that was a lot that I put out there. I mean, it is, because it's a long process. But to help you out more with this, you can go to our website at bostonlawllc.com. That's bostonlawllc.com, and request our free book, What Auto Insurance Companies Do Not Want You to Know. You can get that book. Once we process your request, we'll get the book out to you. And the reason why we suggest that you go ahead and get the book is because the book will give you a better understanding of the process. It'll clear up a lot of things for you. Thanks for taking the time to listen to me today. And for more videos like what you're looking at like this today, you can go to our YouTube page, Boston Law LLC. That's Boston Law LLC on YouTube. And you can see all the other videos that we've done on this topic and others. Thanks for taking the time to listen to me today, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.